How to clear cache on Samsung Galaxy phone in less than 2 minutes. If your phone feels slow, apps are lagging, or storage seems full, clearing the cache can help free up space and improve performance quickly. Even if you've never done this before, these steps are easy to follow and will have your Galaxy phone running more smoothly in no time. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps to see a list of all installed applications. From here, select the app you want to clear the cache for. Once you open the apps page, tap on Storage and you'll see options to clear data and clear cache. Tap Clear Cache, and the temporary file stored by that app will be removed without affecting your personal data like login information or app settings. If you want to clear the cache for multiple apps quickly, repeat the same steps for each app. On newer Galaxy models, you can also use the Device Care feature. Go back to Settings, tap on Battery and Device Care or Device Care, then tap Storage and look for Clean Now or Clear Cache. This method scans your phone and removes cache files from multiple apps at once, saving you time and effort. Clearing the cache regularly can help prevent your phone from slowing down and may improve app performance. It's a safe method that doesn't delete your important files or personal information, making it ideal for anyone even if you're not tech savvy. After completing these steps, you'll notice your Samsung Galaxy phone feels faster, apps load more smoothly, and storage is freed up, giving your device a quick boost in performance.